Proprietary data is the new economic moat. So this is from a Forbes article. Today we're going to talk about Clover Health, but I just wanted to talk about the proprietary data they have. We're living in the age of AI, and the real competitive advantage comes from unique proprietary data sets. The companies that control valuable data and can train their AI models that other companies can't replicate create themselves a data economic moat. It could give them an edge over their competitors. As the AI improves, their earnings power can scale, essentially growing with minimal costs because the data becomes more valuable. So in short, this video is going to be about data economic moats and the value that lies in the data that the companies can produce and the infrastructure that they have to build in order to continuously produce better models. And so today we'll take a look at Clover Health. Some people think it's just a healthcare company. You could get dental, vision, over-the-counter drugs. But besides being a healthcare company, they are also a technology company, and they have built a proprietary data ecosystem in healthcare that serves as a formidable moat. Through the software program they have called Counterpart Health, it was Clover Assistant, the world's leading AI-powered physician enablement platform. So what does this do? Well, they create proprietary models, AI-driven personalized insights through patented industry-leading technology with 100 plus machine learning models in active use. So what Counterpart Health does for Clover Health is they aggregate a bunch of data from electronic health records, lab results, claims data, pharmacy data. Basically, all they have to do is connect Counterpart Health into their systems. The result of connecting Counterpart Health through all these different sources they have is creating a comprehensive data set on patient health that gives Clover a unique foundation for AI and analytics in healthcare. So these are all the platforms that they've announced so far. There are some rumors already with Humana, United Health. It just hasn't been announced yet, but some big ones, the Iowa Clinic, Duke Connected Care. So what does Clover Health do with all this data that they gather? It basically powers an AI-driven support tool for all these clinicians aimed at improving patient care outcomes. So with the machine learning model, they analyze the patient data and it generates real-time insights for the clinicians, for the doctors at the point of care. And since Clover Health has all this data, they could see the full patient picture from primary care visits, specialist reports, medications that people take, hospital visits. The AI can gather all this data and they can catch care gaps that basic systems miss. This is from their latest report. Using proprietary AI and ML and machine learning models, Clover Assistant improves care coordination for doctors and is correlated with improved patient care outcomes. Okay. So these are just some examples of some of the diseases that the AI models have already been catching. Earlier diagnosis leading to earlier treatment. So with diabetes, they were able to diagnose it earlier, leading to earlier treatment, 36 months earlier on average. So with all this data, they were able to detect if a person was about to get diabetes 3 years early, chronic kidney disease 18 months earlier on average. So with Clover Health's proprietary data set, it's basically the nationwide network of healthcare data merged into Counterpart Health. Clover Health did the right move by investing in all of this data integration, giving this platform for free, and they're creating this data moat in the healthcare system, and eventually helping the stock up in the long run. Only selling at $2.75, $1.4 billion valuation. This thing is super undervalued with the data, with the proprietary data that they hold. So for Clover Health, it's an AI-enabled solution that fits with physicians' workflows to help support the earlier diagnosis and management of chronic conditions. So the CEO of Clover Health, Andrew Toy, was just interviewed by Congress and just had a presentation to present Clover Health and their benefits that they could do. And Clover Health was mentioned as the leading AI tech for the healthcare industry. But it was basically about examining opportunities to advance American healthcare through the use of artificial intelligence. And so right now, it's pretty much still at its all-time low. I think they are turning the corner soon. I just wanted to make this to talk about the proprietary data sets that Clover Health and Counterpart Health has acquired, giving Clover Health a competitive data moat. Once they establish more partnerships with all these other healthcare platforms, they'll be able to generate a new form of revenue. Can this company become a software as a service company and start generating SaaS revenue? I think we're about to find out soon. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to give me a like, subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.